Today we're taking a tour of a Signature Homes knockdown and rebuild project in Westmere, Auckland. Signature Homes can manage the entire knockdown and rebuild process, handling the likes of council consents, the removal of the existing property, and of course the fun part, designing your new home with our award-winning designers. It was important for property owners Ben and Kelly to honour the aesthetic of the original 1920s and 1930s character bungalows that reside in the area, building a home that looked relaxed in its environment rather than feeling like a new addition to the neighbourhood. Working with their Signature Homes team, they designed a modernised take on the character bungalow and maximised their land with a 2-storey build. There is an abundance of natural light in the kitchen and living spaces, with the pool and frame throughout the entire area. The L-shaped design provides multiple access points to the outdoors, and the neutral colour palette keeps spaces fresh and bright with engineered timber floors and blonde oak underfoot. The site itself is a long and narrow site, hence the decision to build a 2-storey home to maximise spaces. Spread over 250 square metres of internal living, you'll find a guest bedroom and study downstairs, with the master and 2 children's bedrooms residing upstairs. Ben and Kelly's custom design and build home was managed by the award-winning Signature Homes West Auckland team. If you're thinking of building, head to signature.co.nz and contact your local team today. We hope you enjoyed the tour of Ben and Kelly's home. See you next time.